I have two cars here. On my right is a 2013 Boxster, the 13-year-old paint job. I'm the original owner, the original paint. On the left, we have a 25 Lexus ES350 F Sport. And what I'm doing here is a comparison between ceramics. The Boxster just received a refresh of a home ceramic coating, Armor Shield 9. It had one about a year ago. It's supposed to last 2 years, but in conversation with the company, it seems it will be just to my advantage to just renew it every 6 months to a year, which would mean less effort in the long run to keep the car looking nice. On the left-hand side here, we have my wife's ES, and yes, I will be flipping around to them, which was professionally done. I thought I'd be nice to her. She wanted a black top, so we had that wrapped. We had the spoiler wrapped. We had PFF put on the front. The Boxster has no PFF. Uh, and then it had the full 5-year dual ceramic coating, professionally done. So the question comes down to, what's it worth to you to do? Do you want the full coat done professionally, or will you be content doing it yourself? There are pluses to both. I am very happy with the way Porsche looks, and my wife and I are both happy the way her ES looks. So, they both look good. The ceramic works, they bead water, and you can be the deciding factor in the end. This is my 2013 Boxster. I am the original owner. This is the original paint. It has been well cared for over the years. I did not do PPF on it. So you're looking at 13 years of paint with a ceramic coating on it. As I get older, I'm now 75, it was getting kind of tough doing the wax procedures I was doing, taking hours, and I decided to try a do-it-yourself home ceramic, and I zeroed in on the Armor Shield 9, which it's amazing what they fit in the box. It's like a 3x5 box. It's got the ceramic liquid, the buffing cloth, the application pad and cloth, uh, latex gloves, and full instructions. Okay. Once the car is prepped, and the first time takes the longest, once the car is prepped, it takes an hour to do, maybe a little less. You just wipe it on, watch it flash, and then buff down the section you did. You can see here we have new ceiling lighting. The hexagonal lights really come out nice on it, reflect well. It has worked well. Now, this is about 2 weeks into a second coating. The car was first done last spring, and after exchanging a couple emails with the company, since it's only supposed to last 2 years, uh, I discussed with them, with the option of simply redoing the ceramic either semi-annually or annually, which would hopefully save work in the long run. And they had no disagreement with that. And as you can see, so far it's working. The car, it came out nicely. It's held up well. The year, it was still, the original coating was still working nicely. I just wanted to give it a boost to prevent any further wear on it. So at $50 a bottle, roughly, give or take on their sales or non-sales. Uh, this is what you got. Okay, so that's the Boxster. And here we have my wife's 25 ES350. When she got it, she wanted a white roof, and it was the end of last year, 2025, and there weren't too many options available here. The F Sport didn't come with a black roof, so I told her we could have the spoiler wrapped and the roof wrapped, and I'd be nice to her and get it ceramic coated as well. This was a professional job, cost a few $1,000s. We also had the emblems smoked, the rear labels changed to black, and the window trim wrapped to dechrome them, uh, as well as having uh, some window treatments done. So, all in all, they did a lovely job. It was a local firm in Nashua, New Hampshire that did it. Good reputation. They really seem to enjoy their work and take care of the vehicles that are coming in. And uh, I was very comfortable with them. The job they did was lovely. Uh, the surface looks good. It's uh, nice. Got a nice gloss to it. You can see the hex lights on it. The reflections are good, and just very happy. Okay, and partially I'm happy because she's happy, but we won't go there. Uh, so we have the professional job, we have the do-it-yourself job. It's I find working on the car relaxing, so I'm happy doing it myself, and I'm not seeing a big enough difference here for me to have the car professionally done with ceramic. PPF, obviously, and the wrapping's another story. And, that, I'm reaching a point I may very well have the front of the Porsche done with PPF. We'll see. It's made it this far. I have no intentions of getting rid of it or changing my driving habits, so it may hold up well. So, that's what we got here. Two lovely cars, two lovely treatments, and I think the home uh, ceramic, the DIY ceramic, came out very nicely and over nice savings over the store ceramic. I'm not going to mention the name of the uh, professional grade. It's a 5-year ceramic. It's a name you would recognize. It does appear to be a little shinier, but we're talking marginally so. Now, I'm going to switch cameras and give you a better close-up of what's going on and do a walk around the car. So here's the Boxster, and the finish, I think, came out very nicely. The reflections are clear. By the way, I love these hexagon lights. Really brightened up the garage. And as we come back around, you have less light reflection here. And back to the hood. So there you go, nice reflective, shining. And again, took about an hour to do. Not complicated, just worked very well. Now over here, we have the ES. Now, this has PPF on the hood with the ceramic over it. And it too, very clear reflections, nice finish. We have the roof done with the shark fin, and we had the spoiler wrapped. The window tinting, we have privacy in the rear, mild tint up front, legal limits in New Hampshire, and the wheels were done also with the ceramic. I did not do the wheels on the Boxster in ceramic. And as we come around the tail, again, the reflections are quite good. And sorry about the tightness, but it's a rainy day outside, and we're doing this in the garage. So, here we go. And there you have it. Got two cars. One got the full treatment, and the other got the do-it-yourself treatment, but has been treated well for the last 13 years anyway. So you decide. You want to do it professionally, you want to do it yourself. If you were on the fence and you're a do-it-yourselfer, this is not a major deal to do. The first time, you're going to spend most of your time with prep, but to redo the ceramic, or to do the ceramic, you're talking an hour. So very simple, very straightforward.